Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So I don't think I have ever been as excited about a Makeup Revolution release as I have about this one. So we have the Clueless collection to review. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Do you know what? Clueless is actually something that I grew up on, and back when I was in my teens, I used to watch this repeatedly every day. I was obsessed with it, absolutely obsessed. So I picked up the beautiful mirror. I've got one of the adorable lip pencils here as well. I even picked up the little headband set just because I absolutely love the headband in it. And I've got the Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette as well. So this is what the packaging of the headband set looks like. So cute. I absolutely love this. You've got all the little like slogans on the front there, the pink tartan here, and obviously we've got the headband and two of the little red hair clips there as well. I'm going to pop this on. It'll match my top actually. That was unintentional. There we go. So what do you think? I've got my little headband on. It's actually really quite nice. I quite like it. Yeah, goes perfect with my top, doesn't it? And then I'll show you the mirror as well. I'm obviously going to use it in today's video too. So here we go. This is what the mirror is like. Very, very pretty. So it's obviously silver. The only thing I will say with this is that it's got like a mirrored panel on the back as well. So for filming, it's not really going to be ideal because obviously you're going to see everything in the background there, including like the box lights and stuff, so it's going to be a little bit distracting. So unfortunately I probably won't use this on, you know, filming, but you know, I can use it for personal use, so that's absolutely fine. Very cute though, love it. I'm going to use it today though. So this is the lip pencil. I love this, absolutely love this design. There was Cher and Thai. I actually got the Thai one because I really like the colour, to be honest with you. It's a really nice like nude shade. So yeah, I figured I'd pick this one up. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's like, yeah, obviously, you know, it's like Cher's pen. But yeah, so cute. And then lastly, but certainly not least, we've got the Forever Flawless palette here. How cute is this design? I love it. Absolutely love it. We've got all their kind of like, we've got the, what was on the front of the video / DVD on the front there as well. This actually makes me want to watch it again and relive my youth or my childhood. I'm not too old, am I? No, you're never too old. Oh, I love this. So this is the actual palette itself. Obviously, we've got it looking like a cassette there. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then this is the colour story. These are actually really pretty. Do I look at these and think Clueless? Probably not, but I do still think it's a really nice colour story. So I'll give these a quick swatch for you now. So this is the top two rows just here. So we have Monet, Alaya, As If, RSVP, Whatever, I'm Outie, Buggin', Beep Beep, Betty, Adorable, Give Snaps, Ugh, and then this is the last bottom row. And on this one we have LA Traffic, Fashion, Sha, I'm Freaking, Mismatch and Debate. Yeah, so they swatched up beautifully. I do like the Forever Flawless palettes, if I'm honest. I do think that I don't think I've had a bad one actually. I do think they perform really well. So let's try it out. Right, okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm going to do a bit of a halo eye today. So, or at least try. So I'm going to start off with LA Traffic, which was this kind of purple shade just here. And I'm going to apply that all over my crease, just very slightly above, and then blend it out using Betty, I think, which was this kind of lilac shade just here. That's going on quite nicely. Do you know what? I'm going to change my mirror because I feel like I'm covering the lens too much. Lovely mirror, really nice, but yeah, I think I'm going to go with the mirror in the palette today. just going to blend it in, make sure it's all in my creasy eyelids. And then I'm just going to bring the purple in slightly on the inner and outer part of my lid as well. I do this and I end up putting it all over my lid, which is kind of like how it's going, to be quite honest with you. Oh, that's such a nice pigment on that. It goes on really nice. For a purple, it's actually applying beautifully. And I've left that tiny gap. What's the point in that? But I'm going to apply some eye primer on in a moment anyway and kind of blank the middle bit out. But yeah, I'm really, really impressed with that purple. Really impressed. Right, so I'm going to blend that out using the shade Betty, as I said before. Okay, so we're looking like that. Really nice, really nice. Right, and then what I'm going to do is just go away and blank out that middle bit just there. I'm going to use a white base, so a white primer, and it's going to be a Beauty Bay one. So I'm just going to go away and do that. Right, okay, so that's that done. So next I'm going to go in with a shimmer on the centre part here. And I'm really attracted to this green shade. I think I'm going to dip between the green, which was Give Snaps, and Debate, which is this kind of pink shade down here. I think I'm going to start off by putting all the green over, and then I'm going to pat the Debate shade over the top of that as well. Right, so we're going in with the green first. See how we get on with a brush, and I'll go in with my finger if I need to. Yeah, definitely needs a finger. Much better. So that's the green shade, so that's Give Snaps. And then what I'm going to do is just blend the purple back into that. And then I'll take Debate and I'll kind of pat it all over the shimmer. Okay, so then taking Debate, I'm just going over with my finger. Oh, that's nice. Just patting all over where I've put that shimmer. Are you going to show up? Yeah. Oh, that's really pretty actually with that one. Right, and then I'm going to blend again. So we're looking like that, and I'm actually really, really happy with that. I really like how that's gone. So then underneath, I'm going to go back into the purple again and then blend it out using Betty again. Lovely. Right, okay, so I think I'm going to take the shade Monet, which is this one here, and just pop a little bit of that on my inner corners and under my brow bone as well. So next we've got the lip pencil to try. So I'm just going to finish off the eyes and then I'll come back and we'll try that out. Right, okay, so that's that done. So next I'm going to go in with the lip pencil and I'm just going to obviously apply this all around the outline of my lips. It actually feels really quite creamy. It's quite nice. Okay, so it's quite a pale nude compared to the colour that it looks, but it's still a really nice shade. And I did wonder if the pom-pom on the end would actually, you know, make it awkward to use, but it really doesn't. If anything, I find it actually made it a bit easier because that weight on the end, I'm one of those people that quite likes, you know, heavy makeup brushes because I quite like the weight because I feel like I can control it more. And yeah, this kind of feels the same. So I'm just going to pop a gloss on and then we're done. Okay, so here is the finished look. And yeah, I am so pleased with it. Do you know what? That's a really good palette. I was more impressed with the purple than any other colour, and because normally I find purples can be quite tricky to work with, but being such a pigmented and deep purple as well, it worked so nicely. Really, really nice. The shimmers are beautiful. I think that, you know, I've achieved the sort of halo eye quite nicely with them. Yeah, not a bad word to say at all. The lip liner was lovely as well. I've just paired it with the I Heart Revolution Flintstones gloss in Betty. I absolutely love that shade. But yeah, they did do some little clear glosses, but I'm just not a fan of like the little clear ones. If they were tinted or, you know, more of an opaque colour, I probably would have gone for them, but I'm just not really a clear gloss sort of person. But yeah, really pretty. I love it. So if you are interested in any of the products that I've tried today, then I will list them in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
For me, isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.